Grease your pan very well. Well, let me see what you're doing there. So now dust a little flour in the pan. Next person. Next person.
Scaredy cats. Boy, it's scary. You guys are so scared. This start.
So, Feedy holiday baking. Yes, part of what we are doing today is our young bakers having a quick test. They make use of this. You can see how colorful. Some have painted, some did not paint. They are yet to complete it. And so we have some activities in here which they have read it, and they are having a short, very short quiz on it. At Feedy Bakery, we don't just give them recipes for giving sake. No, we impact lives, we impact knowledge, we impact baking skills into each and every of our young bakers. So next week is still another time for you to enroll our young bakers into Feedy holiday baking time. So we're expecting, keep glued to this channel, more to come. What's today's class?
Great. It was interesting.
And what did you make today?
We made coconut cakes. It's delicious.
Coconut cake. I can see different. So this is which one?
Coconut cake with coconut toppings.
And here you have a plain one.
Yes.
And yours too?
This is coated with coconut and this is plain.
Okay. Same thing with your own?
Coated and the plain one.
All right. And how was the taste, young bakers? All right. We are done with today's class.
Woo!
And what do you all have to say?
Come to Feedy Bakery. Come to Feedy Bakery. Feedy Bakery. Feedy Bakery. When I say Feedy, you say bakery. Feedy Bakery. Feedy Bakery. When I say Feedy, you say bakery. Feedy Bakery.